after the wedding, honey.
Okay. What?
Jeez. Okay.
Oh my
Keep
goodness.
my religion safe.
Caitlin's like a Mennonite.
What? Okay, get back.
Fine, gosh, you have to look pretty. I'm not gonna propose to you. If you're ugly, I'm not gonna propose to you.
She'll propose to me. I'm pretty, right?
Yep.
Okay, girl. Can you be my best
Wait,
man? No.
We haven't,
What?
I haven't even
Okay.
I'm a
proposed to
man?
you.
I didn't know that.
Ready? Do I look I'm pretty? Hey, girl.
Did you just stalk her?
No, I didn't touch her.
Okay, no! Ow! That really hurt my knee! I have knee problems. Ow. So, you're gonna put this on your finger.
Wait,
You're really romantic, Veronica.
you have to ask me. What if I don't say yes?
You're gonna say yes.
You're a little cocky today, aren't you? You bitch! Give me the ring! You put it on backwards.
Because
That's
my
all-
love for you
it's
is
all-
backwards!
Caitlin, you should marry me. I'm nicer.
No, come here.
I like bad
Come here.
boys.
Come here. Come here.
Oh my goodness.
Come here.
I got rejected.
Okay, come here!
I need to make it tighter for me. Can you be my maid of honor?
That's as tight
No,
as it goes.
because
you
I
tiny
hate
fingered
you.
Bitch.
See, you put it right now. It's not a bum hole backwards.
No,
I mean,
come
upside
here.
down. A
I
bum
want
backwards.
a hug! I'm lonely.
Get up.
I'm lonely down here.
Okay. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you. Mwah.
We're totally not making love.
Your hair smells
I know, right?
good. Ooh. So
I
what
just
if